Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Sarana Naranamurthy here to talk about the mind business. So, today we have the most practical topic, which, when we master, we would be the most peaceful, drama free, stress free person ever. So, the topic we have for concentration today is how not to be offended, or how not to let others' mood swings ruin your day. So by this you would have known that this is the most basic topic which all of us has to master about. So let us start with our real life example which actually gets affected by this particular thing. Have you ever experienced this kind of a thing? Like, I bet you have definitely done. When you are so happy at the start of a day, you go all happy, cheerful, at the happy tales, and suddenly someone out of the blue throws tantrums at you, and you see your cheer level disappear. You see the level of excitement drop down. You suddenly get sunken into dark modes, and for the rest of the day, you keep bitching or you keep yourself into the dark, spoiled mood swings. For some reason, when you sit back and think about, wait, morning I was happy, and now I am so much into this particular kind of my mood, which actually doesn't give me a good sense. So why is it? If you ask yourself, dude, was it my mistake? And you will definitely find the answer as, no dear, it's not your mistake. So when you ask yourself again, the matter of choice that bothered you, the matter which was actually causing you such mood swing, was by chance none of your concern. Many times you would analyze that the answer is none of your concern. So, why did this happen? Now, we as human beings are programmed to easily get offended. But you know what? Unlike many others, unlike the normal community of people, when you are totally determined to give yourself changed and to give your mind the probability of not getting offended by others, then your level of offendance can definitely be brought down. Now, if you just point out at something, so what I was saying really, if someone actually blurts out at me and I shouldn't react back and I should keep laughing, and I'll get mocked for even that. But just saying for a moment, okay? Let's say I have two cases. Case one, you're so happy, you're really cheerful and you get on with your happy-go-lucky day, and someone comes in, even maybe your loved one or someone. They come in and dump you in all forms of anger, hatred. Because they are not angry at you, but they are angry at someone to whom they cannot show their anger. Something of that sort. And as a case one, you get offended and you shout back. You actually give in all your sides of rights and you say, see, this is none of my concern. You're just angry somewhere else and not on me. And you throw away all of it. What happens? You both get into an argument, which is going to last longer than the point of argument. And yep, you spoiled your whole entire day. Not just a day, this might also extend to over days or weeks depending on the person you got offended with. Okay, now case 2. You're again happy, in a happy-go-lucky mood and you're cheerfully enjoying your day, and someone comes in, practically the same loved one, let them come in and they dump in all their anger and hate at all you. Same for the reason that it's none of your thing, but then they were angry on someone else and they wanted to show off the anger at you. Now what you're going to do? Being a sage, being in a mentality of a practically legit and understandable human being, what are you going to do? You're going to relax. You're going to do all your breathing exercises. Either ignore their buffings or you just try. Okay, so now you have scolded me enough. Now tell me what happened and why is this? In a very smooth calling tone. So what happens? For a while, the person goes out angry, and when they don't see a reaction, they calm down. They literally calm down. What is the result? You get zero mind disturbance, longer sense of peace, and trust me, the argument is not going to continue. You're going to mind it in your own way, and they are going to mind it in their own way, either in their own angry, hated way, or they'll be like, okay, I didn't see a reaction. Cool, so let me leave it. So ultimately, the other person whose intention or thought of action was to annoy you will end up disappointed. Whether they do it legit for the sake of annoying you or maybe for something else, they will definitely get disappointed and they'll calm them down. It's just a normal human tendency that if we don't see a reaction somewhere, we don't go ahead on it. This actually applies to every other thing which we do, be it speaking or be it doing some work, or be it a venture of yours, or be it whatever. When you don't see a reaction, we try for a while, and when we see it's all going on the base, it's not working, so at that time we give up. And at this point you're so free to enjoy your peace. Now this is more easily said than done, I totally agree. But however, if you are determined to calm down your nerves, count 10 to 1 on the reverse, you're more prone to achieve calm mind and peacefulness. So at this point, even if it doesn't actually happen in the first time or on the second time, when you constantly try it to yourself, when you constantly try calming yourself down without speaking of anything, ultimately at some point of time, when you master yourself in this particular skill, you just definitely going to help you up. So I would challenge you to try this out the next time when someone actually puts on all their hatred on you, and see how it works. So in case if it works good, all the best for you, you have mastered the skill. And in case if it doesn't, try till you master it. So hope this helped you and made an influence on you. If this helped you in your daily way of managing your life, or if you feel this is really helpful in my daily life, or if you feel this has made a change in any one particular action which I did, drop a message in my FB page. I will love to hear from you. If not, keep listening, stay updated, and stay safe. Keep listening to The Mind Business.